What's going on? Are we still role playing?
HP.
I'm shooting my
Let me
teammate.
help you. Let me
What's your
help you.
HP? Arun, what's your
Come here.
HP?
Come here.
91.
Come here.
Okay, so shooting a wrist minus 9 HP.
What?
But shooting a foot minus 48.
Come here.
I shot your wrist.
Come here. I got a present for you.
What did I ever do to you?
I didn't do that. That was Quaroon.
Sorry.
Arun, you're so dead.
I'll use a knife
You're-
now. This can catch me.
You're dead.
Can I shoot your foot?
No.
Come on.
I don't have enough HP for that.
Yeah, you do. You have plenty of HP.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Respawn back. Don't
Come here.
worry.
I gotta come here for your sensitivity training.
Is that Karun?
No.
Is this Karun? Can I
No.
Yeah.
Him.
Hey. No.
I'm just gonna follow you.
Who the hell did this line of bullets?
Me?
God, what'd you do that for?
Boom, boom, boom.
So are we supposed to follow Kai?
Yeah, come here. Got a foot to shoot.
Hi Kai.
How much HP did that do?
I had
I
31.
think it was 16.
Oh wow.
I have 1 HP now though.
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Let's be friends.
Get out of here.
Knife it off.
Hey Kai, what are you doing? It looks so sick. Yeah, it's so cool.
Hugsies.
Yeah.
Hugsies.
Oh. What you two looking at?
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Let me see if I can't get your helmet off. Oh no! I couldn't get your helmet off.
Sorry
without
Kai.
killing you. Oh wow, you shot me and did 10 damage.
I shot your wrist.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I
I
did.
did 10 damage. I'm gonna try to knock your helmet off. Yeah! I got me a helmet. Yes.
Can
You
pick it
can
up?
take the helmet.
Can you pick it up?
No.
Oh! Where the hell did Kai go? Freaking
I
ninja.
know.
Come here, guy. Why are you shooting, Chachii?
I'm making a snake. Snake's dead. No blue. But I'm red.
Let me help you make a snake.
Yeah, you make that snake. Make that a pretty snake.
No, it's just gonna go round and round. Let me help you, guy.
Oh no, I hit you.
What part did you
Let me try
hit?
to shoot between your legs. Let me shoot between
Hey,
your
I can
legs.
go in the middle of this. Yeah. Hey, Chachii.
Don't move. Don't move at all. Oh, I'm out.
You want my pistol? Do you want my pistol?
No, I'm good. I can't pick up your pistol. We're on a different team.
Hi, hi.
Oh,
Don't move. Should I shoot you?
Oh yeah, you see that as a really good crutch.
Okay, you go by the front and I go by the back.
Oh no, I cut your penis off.
I have 6 HP.
Why aren't you moving?
Apparently, if I do that.
Let me hit your foot. Let me snipe
Oh!
you.
He moved.